name's Chris Oldfield. I'm the Chief Executive of Tasmanian Irrigation. For the last 2 or 3 years we've been building a number of significant irrigation schemes in Tasmania, and our biggest will be the Midlands. The Midlands Irrigation Scheme has been planned for over 140 years and we're now well into construction. We've got over 100 people here working on this project near Tunbridge, pretty much in the middle of Tasmania, and we've got about a 12 to 18 month build program. This is a major civil engineering project for Tasmania and most important for this local economy. Everything we do in this region we do in partnership with both state and federal governments, and most importantly with local irrigators. Normally when we build our projects across the state we invite the local irrigators who are contributing towards the capital cost, and in fact members of the local community, to come and see what we do and to see how we build these programs and how we build these schemes and how we're concerned about the environment and safety matters on large projects like this. But given the remote nature of this project, it's really too hard to invite people just to come and have a look. So we thought what we'd do is just make a small video, introduce you to some of the construction people, help you understand the sort of things that have to occur if we're going to have a really good irrigation scheme for this state. So over the next few minutes you'll get a chance to meet some of the people who are building this important irrigation scheme, and you'll get to understand the challenges they face and what they have to do to ensure that we can deliver reliable water to this important part of Tasmania.
I'm Sven Meyer. I work for Tasmanian Irrigation and I'm the project manager for the Midlands Water Scheme. I've been working on this job for about 4 years now, from concept through to feasibility and now into construction. We commenced construction in July 2012 and it'll be completed in December 2013. It's my role, project, and to make sure construction runs smoothly to budget and to program. The Midlands Water Scheme is the flagship project for Tasmanian Irrigation. It's the largest project we're going to undertake. It's got a capital cost of $104 million. It's got a pipeline length of approximately 130 kilometres, ranging from high pressure ductile iron and steel pipe through to HDPE poly pipe. The project has got about 100 people working on it at the moment. There's about 50 from Fulton Hogan Constructions, about 30 with Hazel Brothers, about 10 working with Zest who are producing the HDPE pipe, and there's about 9 with Tasmanian Irrigation.
I'm a construction supervisor on the pipeline, and I will travel over the pipeline and liaise with the contractors doing the job, just ensuring that all their work meets specification. It's a very big pipeline project. We've got approximately 30 kilometres of ductile iron pipe in this stage of the construction, and in the distribution area, which relates to the farmland, we've got approximately 100 kilometres. Huge scheme in terms of Tasmania. There's over $100 million invested in the scheme. It's got a lot of implications for the Midlands area, which is a very low rainfall agricultural area, and predominantly in the past it's been cattle and sheep and some cropping enterprises, but the water from this scheme is going to transition that area into a more diverse agricultural area, able to produce crops regularly and profitably.
We divide the project up into 2 separate contracts. The first contract has been awarded to Fulton Hogan Constructions, which is called the Arthur Supply Pipeline Contract, and that runs from the Arthur's levee with high pressure pipe through to here at the mini hydro location, including transmission line to power to the grid. Fulton Hogan construction component, that has been going for quite a while now, but the real work started in September, and what they had to do is a forested area. They had to clear the corridor. So the construction corridor is 25 metres wide, and from September through to about December, about 3 months, they had 2 or 3 harvesting crews. They've cleared